Okay, so one thing that we can do when we know a sine is we can figure out the cosine. Or if we know the cosine, we can figure out the sine. So let me do one example about that. Let's say that the cosine is 0.7 and you know that the angle's in the fourth quadrant. So first we have to draw the picture. It's all in the picture. There's our unit circle. Remember, cosine is the x value of the terminal point on the unit circle. So we're putting x equals 0.7. Let's draw the angle in the fourth quadrant that corresponds to that point. There's the angle. And now let's go ahead and put our point in. There we go. And the key thing here is we just have to figure out what y is because y is sine. Now we know the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is 1, so we plug in our x value of 0.7. I used 7/10 instead of 0.7 because I knew I was going to have a square root in the future, and I didn't want to square root a decimal. When we solve for y, we end up with plus or minus the square root of 51 over 10, and the question is it going to be plus or is it going to be minus? Well, the picture tells the story. This is in the fourth quadrant, and therefore y is negative. So we're done.